Motherland be, motherland, motherland, motherland be.
Hi, honeymakers.
Hi, honeymaker. It's been a while. I'm feeling so unwell. I have this flu that's just lingering on and on. I don't know what to do now. And with my kind of work, I gotta be alert all the time. I have to be wide awake. So I can't even take these medication stuff. I have to wait until nighttime. Then I can take something and go to sleep. As you can hear my voice, it's not, it's kind of like I got some frog on my throat or something.
She just got home.
Just got home.
She's so cute.
Found my baby girl cooking some dinner. Thank you, Jesus.
In between
for my
editing
baby,
vlogs.
baby. Love you guys.
She loves you guys. She's so sweet. Hi, my honey loves. Such a rough morning. I think I must have slept for about 2 hours or so. So I'm pretty tired. You know when you really, really love someone and they're going through like a traumatic experience and there's nothing you can physically do to help them. Yeah. That's what was happening last night. I think the only comforting thing is that God is always with us. Jesus is always there to heal, to help, and never ever to hurt. And I trust that he knows that as well. So yeah. The devil is a lie. The devil is a lie. He's always thinking he's cool and he's not cool at all, Shem. Another thing that happened is our OC was trying to vacuum clean my room, and then as soon as she plugged in the vacuum cleaner, there was a small explosion and all the plugs stopped working. Thank God that in the kitchen the plugs are working, so I could plug in my computer and upload vlog 13, because it's Wednesday, the 5th of November today. So thank God for that. And yeah, now I'm going to the store. There's some stuff that I need, some stuff for the house and the stuff that I need. You know how that goes. Housewife duties. Just need to get the husband and stuff. Okay, guys. Later. There's OC. Bye, OC. She's looking at. Bye. Bye. I love her too much. She's hilarious. Oh my gosh. Before I forget, have you guys seen that video of the news anchor jamming to where they at though? He's like, where they at though? 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 You guys should check that out. It's a news anchor jamming to where they at though. I might have even missed what I'm looking for here. I'm getting the hang of this shopping thing, okay guys? I'm getting it. I'm like getting into the store and knowing where I'm going. So cool. I'm looking for that nice garlic and herb seasoning. But it looks like they don't have it. They don't have it. Really? After like, where they at though? Now I had to come visit Auntie Willie's because sometimes Uncle P doesn't have everything that I need. And Auntie Willie's comes to the rescue. Excuse me. Hi. Where can I find mayonnaise? Auntie. Oh, thank you. See, Auntie Woolies always has what you need. Exactly what I need. Oh, thank you, Auntie Woolies. Hey guys, just wanted to the Baba ma'am to say hi to you guys. Say hi. Hi. No, thank you for helping me with my stuff. Thank you. Oh, he's so shy. Back home, as you can see, the vlog is loading. Got 89 minutes. 89 minutes. Also telling me about robbers who came to another soccer player's place to take his stuff. Like, what is up with these robbers? Y'all need to leave them soccer players alone, dude. Anybody got time? I'm just smiling at my mom. The cutest mom ever. You are cute. She's taking over the pots now. Not me. That's what she does. Hi, mommy. Cutest
I'm tired.
But nobody's forcing you to cook. I bought food, but she insists on making this mince and pasta. I'm not gonna have
My
pasta.
specialty.
Yes, so don't say that you're tired.
I have a French class this evening.
So you're cooking before you go.
Je suis étudie le français.
What does it mean? Je suis étudie
Le français.
You are.
I'm a French student.
Wow. She's cute, now, guys.
Je parle français parce que c'est romantique
You're romantic.
langue. Parce que c'est ma romantique langue. Because it's a romantic language.
Wow. Mom? You better be acing them tests.
I didn't go on Monday because I wasn't feeling well. So today is the day. They're making me cook. I'm telling them I have a class at 5 o'clock, at 6 o'clock, but they're making me cook.
Ain't nobody making
Story
you
of my
cook.
life.
We're not making it. Nobody forced. Ain't no gun to your head, mama. Telling you to cook.
They had takeouts last night. They want to have takeouts again today. Can't be. This is a home.
Mama I didn't sleep well last night. I wasn't gonna stand in front of them. She just said, anybody got time? Say that again, Mom. Say that again.
What? Nobody got time.
Ain't nobody got time. Hi, my loves. I'm actually writing right now. It's 12 after 10 at night. And I'm writing. I'm working, guys. I usually start at around 8 o'clock in the PM, but I started a bit late today because I was feeling a little ill for a while, or sometimes when I'm too tired, then I finish off the work in the afternoon. The time difference is a hack. It is a hack, you know. But it's got to be done. Got to make that honey. You know. Yeah. I have like this article to write about gangster. What? Gangster, but not gangster. Okay. Let's get it right. But gangsta stuff that has happened. Ironically, what people think is gangsta, like one of them is when a woman stabbed her husband with a squirrel. When a woman stabbed her husband with a squirrel, like what did he do to you? That was so bad. That you had like a squirrel, you just needed the nearest thing to stab him with, huh? Ladies, if you feel like you need to stab your husband, maybe y'all need to seek counseling before you do such a thing.
right? Go talk to somebody. Pray. I don't know. Whatever you need to do. Don't stab your husband with anything, let alone a squirrel. Like, where they do that at? Huh? Oh my gosh, I cannot get this out of my head. Where they at though? Where they at though?
And we're off to the dietitian's office. Yay! Hi, mommy.
Hi.
Mama Jer.
Hi, baby doll. Oh.
Brenda Fassie, guys. If you don't know, now you know. The dietitian's office went well, by the way. FYI. I don't even know what she's saying in this song. What is she saying, Mom?
Open the way.
Are you serious?
Yes, open the way.
But Mom Kabuzi is like a gossip person.
This is there. Open the way.
Their favorite move. Boom shaka. Alone.
It's about time to listen to Boom Shaka. It's about time to listen to Boom. It's about time to listen to Boom Shaka. It's about time to listen to Boom Shaka, Boom Shaka, Boom Shaka, Boom Shaka, Shaka, Boom Shaka, Boom Shaka, Boom Shaka, Shaka, Boom Shaka, Boom, Boom, Boom. A boom, boom, boom.
So I'm on my way to a braai, or a barbecue place, actually, where lots of people get together and eat barbecued meat, braaied meat. I'm gonna go with Mandy, my lovely friend. Let's do it! Hi guys! So we decided to go to a chisanyama, which in direct translation is burning of meat. And I'm with another friend of mine that I haven't seen in so many years. We went to primary school together at Brothers. Her name is Boosie. Hi Boosie! I look horrible. I don't look horrible. She doesn't look horrible. She doesn't. I went to primary school with her, guys. Isn't she pretty? Mandy! Another stage fright? No, please don't have stage fright. Hi, we're burning the meat today. And this is Tia. Comrade. My comrade. Where's Mandy's comrade? Hi, She says hi, com. That's what we call each other now, com, because of the comrade. I've never been to a chisanyama before in my entire life of living, and this is, I think it's going to be a good experience. We ordered meat, a whole lot of meat. And chakalaka. We're going to eat with our hands. We're going to eat with our hands, guys. We'll see how it goes. We're about to start eating now. It's raining a little bit. We have the meat. And the fun. Are you excited, guys? Excited.
Too African.
You know what I'm saying? So African, guys. The festivities are still going, and we've joined other people around us. There they are. Why are you looking away? Other people around us enjoying themselves. This is Tumelo. Hi, Tumelo. Hi, Tumelo. Fun times. I'm just having Sprite. And my friends don't understand why I'm just having Sprite. Sprite's good. Hi, Tumelo. Cool dude. Got my glasses off. And there are people dancing in the rain. dancing like there's no tomorrow. So cool. Let me show you guys. Yes, sir. He's doing the eagle. Hey, Michael Jackson. Hey. Next. Like distortion thing. Happy Sunday, happy Sunday. I'm just channeling my Toni Braxton. You know how she sings. I mean, I love her to bits, but you know when she sings and it's kind of like she's not really saying anything. Can't really hear what she's saying. So I'm channeling my Toni Braxton and singing Happy Sunday to you, my honeymakers. Happy Sunday, happy Sunday to you. Happy Sunday, happy Sunday to you. Do you guys like my Toni Braxton impression? I hope you do. This smells good downstairs. I'm not cooking today. My sister is, and it smelled good. It smelled good. Look when they're studying, because she's starting exams soon. So cute. Remember the time when you were writing exams? Fun times. My sister cooked really, really nice food. Let me show you. That's lamb salad, brown rice, and beans. It's gonna be good. I'm not sure about the beans. It's about that reading time. Yes, I'm still reading the same book. The Power of Praying. If you haven't heard of it, please, it's a really good book. Just read it. I think I'm almost done. Where am I? No, I'm not almost done. Actually, I lie. But it's a good book. I'm at the hospital with Mom, and she just helped somebody push out a baby. The sounds that I was hearing. But congratulations. Oh my gosh. Hectic, eh? Childbirth. Hectic. Like, oh my goodness. Mom's job is pretty hectic. I commend her for having the courage and just the stomach for it. The nurses are coming out now. Sure. The blood. Oh my God. Okay. All right, my honey loves. It's about that time for me to go to bed. Well, actually, I'm not gonna go to bed just yet because I just watched Evil Dead, and I think in order for me to be able to fall asleep, I'll just watch, I don't know, Despicable Me 2 or something. So yeah, if you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends, and please don't forget to follow me on Twitter at motherlandb, follow me on Instagram at motherland_b, and also please like my Facebook page at www.facebook.com/motherlandb. Yes, my voice is gone, don't know why, but I like it though. Husky voice, huh? Comment below how cute like saying that. I don't know why. But anyway, I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Love ya.
I love you in a place where there's no space or time. I love you for my life. You're a friend of mine. And when my life is over, Remember when we were together? We were alone, and I was singing the song to you.